Want to know the secrets to turning your little one into a confident reader? In this video, I'm going to give you some best tips to boost early literacy at home. No fancy curriculum, nothing that you need to go buy at the store, just simple strategies that actually work. Secret number 1 is to read to your child every single day. All right, don't just click off the video. I know somebody was like, I don't have time to read to them every single day. Let me tell you, you have 5 or 10 minutes. Just simply dedicating 5 to 10 minutes to actually read to your child can make a world of a difference to their learning. It will boost their vocabulary, it will get them exposed to unknown words, and it is probably the biggest thing you could ever do to boost early literacy at home. But here's the trick. You have to make this fun. Try using silly voices. Ask them questions. Do whatever you need to do your impersonations and whatnot to make the reading experience fun. And if you have a really young learner, you can even do things like let them turn the page. Remember, you only need 5 or 10 minutes to do this.
Little rabbit lost. Little rabbit woke up and knew it was a special day. It's my birthday, he said. I'm not such a little rabbit anymore. Say it with me. I'm not such a little rabbit anymore.
Secret number 2 is to fill your home with lots of words. In this video, I share with you the importance of having a print-rich environment. And let me tell you, it is the secret to boosting early literacy at home. Go ahead and label your entire home. In fact, let me take you on a tour in my kitchen. Okay, so in my kitchen, I have labels such as this that says oven, counter. Note that when you do home labels, you want to make sure that you have them posted at eye level of your child. Now, of course, I have these labels all over the house, but I'm not about to give y'all a tour in this video. I even have them beyond just my kitchen. Now, of course, if you want to work smarter, not harder, I have you covered down below in the description. Label everything you have around the house. Label your bed, label the microwave, label the refrigerator. The more words your child sees labeled around your home, the more words that they will want to explore. Can you imagine what this is doing to their vocabulary? Hooray! Secret number 3. Now, if you've been following me for a while, then this next secret is no secret to you. But you want to make learning hands-on. When it comes to boosting early literacy at home, you will need to go get some products. So go ahead, visit your local Dollar Tree, your local Walmart, your local Target. I know we're boycotting them right now. But go ahead and grab things like letter magnets or sand or Play-Doh and make learning hands-on. This is why my curriculum, Reading by Design, it comes with Play-Doh, it comes with sand, it comes with some of these interactive things. You also want to do things like incorporating song in learning. Sing about the alphabet, for example. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, elemental P, elemental P, elemental P, elemental, 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 hey, hey, good job. When learning is playful, your child will be engaged. Tip number 4, talk, talk, talk. Now, I know I talk a lot, but talking is one of the things that you can do to actually boost your child's literacy. As you're talking to them, they're being exposed to new words, they're understanding unknown words based on the context in which you use them. I have never been one to say talk goo goo gaga with a child, okay? The more words you use, even if they're big words, even if you think they're unknown words, you're actually boosting their bank of vocabulary words. And then you can double down on that during your reading time. Of course, you can do things like asking them questions during their reading experience. So during your reading time, while you're doing your read aloud, that is, you want to stop and ask some questions like, what do you think will happen next? How do you think this makes the character feel? This not only builds comprehension, but it also enhances critical thinking skills. I love a 2-for-1, baby.
What do you think the rabbit is going to do next?
Maybe going to the party.
Okay, so you think he's gonna go into the party? Let's see if you're right. Mama packed a special birthday picnic, and soon everyone was ready to go.
And finally, drum roll please. Secret number 5. Mambo number 5. Y'all remember that song, Mambo number 5? Do 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 do. Oh my goodness. All right. I showed my age right there. I mean, that used to be the jam, y'all. However, secret number 5 is to praise their efforts. Reading is hard enough in itself, and so the more you can do to get them to feel confident, the more you can do to get them to feel secure, the more you can do to let them know that they can take risks when it comes to learning, the more confident they will be in actually beginning to learn how to read. So you want to celebrate every milestone, whether it's recognizing a letter, sounding out a word, or simply even completing a book. Confidence is key.
Happy birthday, little rabbit. The end.
Woo! Good job. You did such a great job reading the book. I'm so proud of you. Give me hugs. Mwah, that is my smart reader.
Now, these are just really simple steps to help you boost early literacy at home. And I talked about reading aloud a lot during this video. However, if you really want to grow your child, then you should definitely watch this video next on what you should do to actually help speed some of this up. And I will see you in that video.